Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Today I put together this PC as a little bit of therapy, but this video's got a little bit of a twist, so you might want to hang around till a little bit later to see what I'm talking about. Let's get into it. As usual with these builds on the channel, we build with parts that we have on hand, but as I mentioned in the intro, this one is a little bit special, so make sure you stick around till probably towards the end somewhere. There's going to be a little thing sprinkled throughout the video that you're going to need, so watch the video and let's put it together. See how this little itty bitty beast came to be and how it exists. Yep, today's a weird day. Let's get weird. Alright ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed the build in the Phanteks P360A, and as I mentioned, stick around till a little bit later because I've got something I want to share with you guys. It's pretty special, but you're going to have to wait till a little bit later on in the video to find out what I'm talking about. So let's quickly chat about the parts while we're here. The CPU is the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. We put the 5900X on the Gigabyte X570 Aorus Master. To cool the 5900X, we use the Phanteks Glacier 1 240, not 420 MP. The RAM is 16 gigs of AORUS RGB memory at 3600 megahertz with the dummy modules to fill out all the RAM slots. Yeah, it's an aesthetics focused build. You'll find out why I built this in a moment. Yes, I'm dragging it out because, you know, watch time, engagement, and every tech YouTube channel's gone down the toilet at the moment, so I've got to keep you here for a bit longer, let's be absolutely honest. The cable extensions are Thermaltake black and red cable extensions. The GPU is the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme. I'm going to tell you guys something about that in a moment too. The fans are the Deepcool CF120 Pluses. The reason why I like these fans is because they use the same connector that will plug into the fan controller that's built into the case, and they look kind of like those Cooler Master Halo fans that Cooler Master never sent us. And if I miss any parts, I'll put a PC part picker list down below in the description and all that jazz, and you know how we do. All right, ladies and gents, the meat and potatoes of this video. Why are you here? Why do you exist? Why are we on this earth? Why is the earth round and not flat? You can win this GPU. That's why we're here. This is the whole point of this build. I wanted to showcase this GPU because it can be yours. That's right, we're doing a worldwide giveaway for this RTX 3080, and you guys know how we do. I won't make a whole video just saying, hey, this is a giveaway video. I'll just sprinkle it into our build videos, and this is exactly what it looks like when I sprinkle it into a build video. So this RTX 3080 Extreme, the AORUS one, can be yours anywhere in the world. Now, to enter, click the link in the description. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the like, do all that stuff that people on the internet tell you to do when you're trying to enter a giveaway. But also, do make sure that you don't comment on this video and say things like, I need this RTX 3080 because I play a 15-year-old game and I deserve this GPU because I have all the parts in my system except the GPU and all this stuff. Okay, I'm not trying to sound mean or whatnot, but it is completely random. Yeah, you got to click the link in the description. We always announce the winners for our giveaways on Twitter and Twitter alone, and in the little widget thing for the giveaways. Please don't blow up our social media and our Instagram and everything when the giveaway is over, or don't like DM us and say, hey, I deserve to win and all this stuff, because it just doesn't work like that. Again, completely random, not trying to sound mean. We've done enough of these giveaways to know that people can be really entitled. So yeah, you guys know what I'm like anyway. I just speak the truth with all this stuff. It's just how I do, because I don't like to waste your time. So don't waste your time. Click the link in the description. GPU can be yours, RTX 3080 Extreme, the big boy, the 4-slotter, the big knocker.
Keep going, Chungus.
The big chungus, the ray tracer, you know, like, I don't know, I'm just saying stuff. Yeah, you know what to do. We're trying to give back because we know with the silicon shortage and everything crazy going on in the world, it's really hard to get GPUs. And I always say this, if I've got a spare GPU, I'm gonna let you guys have it. But you got to click the link in the description. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, do all that jazz that YouTubers tell you to do at the end of all their videos. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, all that other jazz, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And it's time, Claire.
What?
In cinematic mode. Enjoy it.